I believe Pepe is on the verge of explosive growth where I think we could see this thing 10x from where we are right now. Let's talk about what is happening right now with Pepe, and make sure you guys stay till the end to hear some really interesting statistics about the future potential of Pepe. Let's dive into it. You might be wondering what happened to Pepe since the other day that has changed things so dramatically. Well, I think the big thing that's impacting Pepe right now is the change in volume. Of course, Pepe price down about 3.5% on the day, but the big thing is this volume number, in my opinion. This was over $1 billion just the other day, and now we're less than $500 million of 24-hour volume. And I believe that this is due to the fact that Elon Musk ended up tweeting out about Pepe. The volume ended up exploding, and the volume has since come back down, as we have not seen an Elon Musk tweet here in a couple of hours. Now, when we compare this to, for example, Dogecoin's also down on the day, about 14% on volume. Shiba Inu down about 10% on volume. So Pepe's volume right now, when you combine both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, Pepe's still about double the volume of both those combined. So it's still significant. And so I don't want you guys to get all afraid just because this is a big negative number, down 60%. As long as this volume stays over, let's say $200 million a day on the low end, and it peaks out about $1 billion a day, that is still absolutely amazing, because we're looking at more volume than Dogecoin and Shiba Inu combined in that case scenario, which is really bullish for Pepe. Now, what I think is really good, this is something I called on a live stream. I said, if we break through this 1.8 level right here, then we'll probably be trading in this little channel for a little while. And that's basically what we've been doing. We end up seeing some growth going up, Pepe price went up, and then we've been trading this channel. And I think one of two things is going to happen. Either we don't get any news events, nothing really happens, and Pepe price goes back into a decline, or we get something that happens, we can see the Pepe price very quickly, in my opinion, start to explode, going back towards the all-time highs, which from where we are right now would show gains close to 150% if we went back to those all-time highs. And even over just the past couple days, the increased price in Pepe, it's up about 50% from where it bottomed out. So this is a great potential for Pepe. This is a great opportunity for Pepe to see that explosive growth again, where we can go back to all-time highs and potentially even overtake the market cap of Dogecoin. You might be wondering, how is that going to happen? How are we going to get Pepe over a $10 billion market cap when right now it's sitting about $700 million market cap? Well, there's a couple key points. The first thing I want to talk to you guys about is mainstream media press. We saw this article came out from Bloomberg just a couple hours ago about Pepe and Bitcoin. Bitcoin bulls trip on a frog as Pepe meme coin frenzy signals market top. But if you guys appreciate videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you don't miss more content as soon as it goes live. And you guys are welcome to check out this article. Well, basically it's talking about Pepe and how Pepe is really taking over the crypto market right now, especially all meme coins. It's something that they bring up, which I think is really interesting. At the end of the day, it's a lottery ticket, some traders say. And I think that is reiterated here. The only stat people need to understand why meme coins aren't going away is that we spend $100 billion on lottery every year. And the chances of actually winning a lottery are apparently 1 in 300 million, basically non-existent. So a lot of people are very comfortable, which I think is a very interesting phenomenon. A lot of people are very comfortable trading Pepe, putting money into Pepe, $50, $100, and hoping for the 100x or 1000x returns in these different meme coins. And a lot of traditional traders are so confused. Oh, they're saying, oh, there's no underlying value, there's no utility to Pepe, this thing's going to die off. But I think they overlook the fact that a lot of people are treating Pepe, treating meme coins essentially like playing the lottery, essentially like gambling. And I think that's a good way to look at it, because these meme coins, they are so high risk, high reward. You could maybe make 10x, or you could lose all your money and get rugged. There's so much risk and reward opportunity with these different meme coins. I think it's really healthy to have a perspective of treating this like gambling. And I think that's just such a powerful statistic, again, to highlight why meme coins are in, why people put money in meme coins. What is the hope of meme coins? What's going on here is that we have a lot of people who are treating this like gambling, myself included. I bought quite a few different meme coins so far. I'm treating those like gambling. If they go to zero, I lose all my money in them. I'm not putting my life savings. I'm just putting a little bit of money. I'm treating it like I'm going to the casino. And I think that's, again, a healthy way to treat it. If it goes up a ton, great. I'll have enough money to pay my bills for months at a time. And if it goes to zero, it's not going to kill me. Sure, I'm not going to get Lambo money, but I think that's a good way to approach it for a lot of people. Now, another interesting thing is that we also saw Pepe in a Yahoo Finance article in regards to the Coinbase apologizing for the Pepe comments, because we saw hashtag delete Coinbase trending like crazy. This is where the mainstream media can't really ignore Pepe. A lot of the mainstream media has been ignoring Pepe so far until pretty much the past 2 days, where we're starting to see these different articles show up. A lot of the mainstream media so far has just been saying, oh, Pepe is just this fringe meme coin thing. It's not a big deal. We were able to get the price of Coinbase stock to drop from the hashtag delete Coinbase movement when they went against the Pepe community, when they labeled the Pepe community basically as Pepe as a hate symbol, that really upset the Pepe community. We're able to have an impact on the price of Coinbase. And I think these different things come together to show that Pepe is such a strong community. People are willing to take the risk. People are willing to see this thing out until it goes to a $10 billion market cap, which I think is going to really help the potential of Pepe to overtake Dogecoin. And one other statistic that we need to look at that I find really interesting for Pepe is Pepe versus Dogecoin. It's something I pulled up a couple times on this channel, but I think this is so important. The peak of Dogecoin ended up peaking out way up here. This is when Dogecoin ended up hitting. When we look at the historical market cap, for example, Dogecoin peaked at about $90 billion market cap when it peaked out on that interest levels. And so Pepe right now, being at about 6% of that, in theory, our market cap should be about 6% of that peak, or about $6 billion, close to that, about $5 billion. If we go based off of trend volume, and that's our metric here, is level of interest in the meme coin. I think in reality, if we can get Pepe to go above, let's just say this 50% line right here, we can see the Pepe price overtake Dogecoin's current market cap and potentially just go absolutely ballistic from there. So this is something I'm going to be continuing to watch and see. Are we trending up with this search volume on Pepe? What is happening with the Pepe search volume? Are we gaining the mainstream attention? What is happening here? And if you want to learn about the power Elon Musk has to change the future of Pepe entirely, check out this video up here and I'll catch you on the next one.